How can I make my website more accessible for search engine crawlers? The easiest way to accomplish that is just to remember that search engines like hierarchy. So, anytime that you have easy navigation, user friendly way to find the information you're looking for, you know that it's going to be easy for the website to crawl. So, the easiest way to do that is just to incorporate internal links and continue to have a user-friendly navigation that has your top navigation followed by sub pages or child pages.